Can a domestic violence accusation turn your life upside down overnight in New Jersey? Absolutely. Many people are shocked to learn that a single domestic violence allegation can lead to an arrest, removal from their home, restrictions on seeing their children, and the loss of their firearms before they ever have their day in court. Here's how the process works. When police respond to a domestic violence call in New Jersey, they take the situation extremely seriously. If officers believe there is probable cause that domestic violence occurred, they can make an arrest immediately. In many cases, a temporary restraining order, or TRO, is also issued. That order can prevent you from contacting the alleged victim, returning to your home, or possessing firearms while the case is pending. One thing many people don't realize is that domestic violence cases often involve two separate legal proceedings. First, there is the criminal case, which may include charges such as assault, harassment, stalking, criminal mischief, or terroristic threats. Second, there is the restraining order case, where the court decides whether a final restraining order should be entered against you. These are separate cases with separate hearings and different legal standards. Another common mistake is trying to explain your side of the story to police immediately after an arrest. You have the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. Anything you say can be used against you later in court. And even if the alleged victim wants to drop the charges, that does not automatically end the case. In New Jersey, prosecutors decide whether to move forward with criminal charges. The good news is that being accused does not mean you are guilty. Domestic violence charges can sometimes be challenged based on lack of evidence, false allegations, self-defense, inconsistent statements, or violations of your constitutional rights. The earlier an experienced defense attorney becomes involved, the more opportunities there may be to protect your rights and build a strong defense. If you've been charged with domestic violence or served with a restraining order in New Jersey, contact the Tormey Law Firm for a free consultation.